The influence matrix is one of the four key ideas that makes up the unified theory of psychology. It represents a map of the human relationship system. It is an extension of behavioral investment theory applied to human social motivation and emotion. It starts with the idea that humans have a fundamental need for relational value and social influence. Relational value refers to the extent to which one feels known and valued by important others, and social influence refers to the extent to which one can influence others in accordance with one's interests. The matrix starts with the idea that we have templates for being known and valued, or conversely, being rejected, abandoned, or disrespected. Here we see the black line, or RVSI line, which refers to this idea, and the high and low relational value boxes refer to these core templates. The matrix further posits that there are three other process dimensions that impact relational value and social influence dynamics. The blue line represents the power dimension, marked by the poles of dominance and submission. This refers to both direct rank and power and control, and indirect status and achievement or other markers of merit. The red line is called love, and it is marked by the poles of affiliation and hostility. Affiliation refers to sharing of interests and joining together, which happens in different ways between different relations, such as family members, friends, romantic partners, and groups. Hostility is activated when interests diverge strongly, and individuals invest energy in punishing the other, either to remove them or to get them to change their course of action. The final process line is called freedom. It is marked by the poles of autonomy and dependency. Autonomy involves the freedom from control of others and other obligations, whereas dependency indicates the degree of involvement and engagement necessary for individuals to feel secure and protected. Relational health is most commonly achieved by balances of power and love and autonomy and dependency. Because these motives often exist in conflict, people often experience tension or splits in what their relational heart tells them they should do. These are the motives. Emotions are response sets activated based on appraisals that one's goals, motives, or needs are being impacted and thus need to be responded to. The positive emotions are activated when one approaches desired relational states. These energize responses in that regard. The negative emotions are activated in response to threats or losses of social influence or relational value. The matrix further suggests there are two broad organizing quadrants, which include the self quadrant, which orients individuals either to enhance the self or reduce or punish the other, and the other quadrant, which is the inverse. The dynamics of influence play a key role in how we justify our actions to ourselves and others. Together, behavioral investment theory, the influence matrix, and justification systems theory provide a way of understanding human behavior via the complicated interrelated dynamics of justification, investment, and influence. For more on the influence matrix, see the TOK blog posts and the chapter in the Unified Theory book, or the TOK 21 video series. Thank you.